Hey everyone, welcome to another Webhose Cyber video blog. My name is Noa, I'm a senior cyber analyst, and today we'll talk about how to query for content from a specific chat in the Cyber API. Of course, when we talk about chatting applications, we talk about Telegram, Discord, or IRC. Querying content from a specific channel can be useful for you when you identify a relevant channel for your needs. For example, it can be a Telegram channel selling drugs or a Discord channel selling counterfeited items of a high-end brand. To query content from a specific Telegram channel, you should use the thread URL filter and the original Telegram channel link, as you can see right here on the screen. When running this query, the results retrieved will be specifically from this Telegram channel. This is its title, and this is the original Telegram channel link, as it appears in the thread URL. In Discord and IRC, chats are actually built as servers, and in each server we have a few channels. Each of them discusses different subjects. So to query content from a specific Discord channel, we'll use the thread URL filter as well. And we'll use the entire Discord link, as we can see right here. This query will retrieve content from the channel ROT, from the server Reign of Terror, as you can see right here in the title. To query content from a specific server in Discord without specifying a channel, we'll use the server ID, which appears right here in the last URL that we queried. We'll copy that and query for this server ID by using the thread URL filter, as we did before. Then we'll add the network filter to make sure that the content that we retrieved is actually from this server from Discord. We'll add the filter and run the query. The content retrieved will be from different channels inside the server Reign of Terror. To query content from a specific channel in an IRC server, we'll use the thread URL filter as well, as you can see right here on the screen. We'll query for content from IRC, from the server CheckNet, and the channel CC Power. Looking at the JSON output, you can see that the thread URL is mentioned in this format right here. To query content from a specific server in IRC without specifying a channel, we'll take the server name and query it using the thread URL filter, as you can see right here on the screen. We'll copy it and query it. We'll also add the network filter to make sure that the content that we retrieve will be in fact from IRC. Running the query, from this query, we will retrieve content from different channels inside the CheckNet server. For example, the channel Brazil at CheckNet server. So today we learned how to query for a specific channel or server in the different chatting applications available in the Cyber API, Telegram, Discord, and IRC. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you in the next one.